Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Alexa when it won't turn on. Using your iPhone, let's get started. First, check the power connection. Make sure your Alexa device is plugged into the wall properly. Now check the power cable. If it looks loose, unplug it and plug it back in. Next, check the power adapter. Make sure you are using the original Alexa power adapter. If possible, try a different wall socket in your home. Wait about 30 seconds. Sometimes Alexa just needs time to restart. If Alexa still does not turn on, unplug the device completely. Wait for 1 full minute, then plug it back in. Now look closely at the Alexa device. Do you see any light at all? If the light comes on, that means Alexa has power and is starting up. If there is still no light, try using another power cable if you have one. A damaged cable is very common reason Alexa won't turn on. Next, take your phone and open the Alexa app. Check if the app shows your device as offline. This helps confirm the device is not getting power. If Alexa still does not turn on after all this step, the device may have a hardware problem. In that case, you may need to contact Amazon support or replace the device. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Amazon Alexa when it won't turn on. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.